Morning guys, it's Thursday. I'm in the van. I am going to attempt to resand that crescent driveway today. I know we did it on, when did I clean it? Monday? Tuesday? But it's been peeing it down, so it's still quite damp now, I think. Still got a little bit left to clean at the bottom patio. That won't take long. Yeah, so let's, oh god, I'm miles away. Yeah, so we're gonna go and pick some sand up. I think it's gonna take 4 or 5 bags, this, maybe 4. I'll pick up 4, can always nip back for another one. Yeah, oh god, don't know what I'm talking about. So let's go and get some sand. Let's go and have a look at this and get it finished. See you, mate. Here we go. Langfords. Get some sand. So somebody's parked in my spot.
What are you after, Jake?
4 bags of sand. 4 bags of kiln.
Right, just give them it, right, just put some in for this lady here.
All right.
Right away.
Yeah.
I thought I had it figured out, believed in us, we were meant to be, no doubt. A teenage love, everybody else could see the way we were, living in a fantasy. But when I kiss her, I don't know where we're going, I don't know at all. I don't know how we're growing, I'll be moving on, I'll be moving on, gotta let it go, living on my own, making me
Right guys, it's all sanded, looking nice. I'm just going to give it a go over with a leaf blower, and it's onto the back to finish off around the back. We've got a patio to do. Big house this. Right, right then, we're done. All sanded, all nice and neat. Looks like a brand new driveway. Customer's really happy. Let's have a look at it. Don't know if you can hear me. Don't know if you can hear me very well. There's traffic. It's a very busy road. Let me show you this road. Like I say, a very busy road. Right. Sure, I felt a spot of rain then. I hope not. It's not forecasted. Right, let's have a look at this driveway. I'll put some before pictures after. Before pictures after? I'll put some before pictures later. So here we go. So. Can't stop saying that. All nicely sanded. Not a bit of black spot in sight. If you remember in there, all there was all really mossy. That's all gone. Give you an idea. This is from the top of the driveway. Yeah, it's nice. Really enjoyed doing this one. And the customer said, you do realise that you're going to have to come back every year now, don't you? Yeah, I'm alright with that. Some rust spots there. If I'd have known that they were there before I started cleaning, I would have treated them with some smelly gel to get rid, but it's a bit late now, so maybe next time. Yeah, what do you think? Let me know in the comments below if you like what you've seen. Please press that like button. That tells YouTube that you like it, and then it will share my video around YouTube instead of it being sat stagnant. And if you really like it, or if you're new here, why not consider subscribing? There's a little icon there. Just press that. That's it. Done. It's free. Don't cost you anything. And then you'll be notified of any videos that we bring out in the future, especially if you click all when you click that bell. Good. So start again. Right then, let's go and get this patio done round the back. See you in a bit. Right, this is the bottom patio, same stone as the top one on the balcony, Indian sandstone. Not too bad. A little bit there. And if you're wondering what it looks like, there's the top balcony. How nice is this garden? Look at that. I'm sure she won't mind me showing you. So let's get this one done. Or as we like to say, let's get stuck in. Still not got that t-shirt. Alright, that's magic sauce down. We'll give that 20 minutes, maybe a bit longer. Sun's out, so we've got to keep it damp, otherwise it won't work. Yeah, we'll have a brew. Sit in the van for 5 minutes. Right, excuse the machine noise. We've got some spots here, black spot. It's been down for 10 minutes. It's not even touching it, so I'm going to put some neat on.